All right, that's locked. Try it with the key. And it's unlocked. Picture for the client. And we're out of here. All right, new keys. We're all done. I don't know why earlier it was like bouncing back and forth. Lock it. That's weird. How did it just open? Just put that code in. Okay, unlocked. Closed. Locked. Uh-oh, it's going crazy on me. It's not actually closing over here. We'll fix that for them. So how did they get locked out? I have no idea. You have to pull the door in. I'm gonna adjust that because if not. Okay, I just cut that. Grinded it down a little bit. Let's try it again. Still not. So if I pull it, now it's locked. That's not the code. I don't push the code again. Okay. I had to pull it into unlock it. I'm gonna make it bigger. All right, locked. There we go. Unlock. We're out of here.